Yes, so this new book of Jimmy Chin named There and Back Photographs from the Edge detail his story across 7 continents in the world, where he's traveling through very challenging terrain and he's always documenting what he discovers, and then he also discusses what challenges they had to deal with while going through this terrain. And what I like about this book is that it's just so much different scenarios. You go from snow to mountains to water to lakes and so on. I think it's a very nice photo book to have on your dresser or on your coffee table when friends are coming over, because if the conversation is suddenly stalling, you can just pick up the book and look at some pictures together. A lot of people are fascinated by nature, and I think if you start looking through some pictures, for example the one we're seeing here, it's just breathtaking, and I think it will be a great conversation starter with new people. So for this reason I really like the book, because yeah, the pictures just are so diverse and it just attracts the attention because they're so extreme as well. So overall, I think it's a very cool book, and I look forward to the launch later in November. Have a great day, and you can buy the book with a link in the description to get a great offer.